Hey guys, Praveen here, and today I want to make a video on how I use Linear for tracking my task for any app. So this is a new project that I'm working on, and I have just created a task for me here. So I usually create a team for what I'm working on, and I go straight into projects, and I create projects based on the phases that I'm gonna work on. So phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3. So these are all the beginning phases. Create the main functionalities, UI pages, detailed views, search, tagging. So each thing has a separate phase, and then at the final everything here we have phase 8, which is the final polish and QA. So I usually start the current phase that I'm working on, so it's favorited, it's right in the sidebar, so I know this is the phase I'm working on, and this is the thing I have to work on next. So this is it's pretty easy to do this. So I create things like this, and in projects everything has lots of task issues inside that. So I know, I should go in and go phase by phase. So it's it's easier to go phase by phase, and the project doesn't have any text per se in it. So if we go to the final one, it doesn't have any description or anything. I just go into issues and I do that. So yeah, that's it. I separate them by projects, and inside them I have issues, so I can create one projects one by one, and it's easier to. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's easier to know how many have we done, and how many there is to go. I have not played with any views or anything else. I know Linear is like very powerful, but this is enough for me, and it works for like a team of 1 or 2 people that I have. So yeah, that's it. Let me know if you want more videos of the tools I use, and I'll make them. Bye bye.